In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Copilot settings to suit your personal style and improve your overall user experience. Whether you prefer a formal tone for business communication or a casual style for more relaxed conversations, adjusting these settings can help you communicate more effectively. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft app and access the Copilot settings. This is your command center for a more personalized experience. Navigating to these settings is simple, and once you're there, you'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for specifically are the settings related to tone or style preferences. This is where the magic happens in terms of customizing how Copilot assists you. Once you've found the tone or style preferences, you'll need to consider the type of audience you're typically communicating with. Are you writing emails to clients, drafting reports, or chatting with colleagues? Different situations might call for different tones. Here you'll have the option to choose between formal, casual, or professional tones. Let's break these down so you can make the best choice for your needs. A formal tone might be suitable if your daily interactions are chiefly in a corporate or professional setting. It conveys respect and professionalism, but may seem a bit stiff outside of certain environments. On the other hand, a casual tone works well for less formal situations, perhaps when you're collaborating with colleagues within your own team or organization. It's friendly and approachable, making communication comfortable and engaging. Lastly, the professional tone strikes a balance. It's ideal if you want to maintain a professional demeanor while still being relatable and clear. Now comes the crucial part, saving your settings. It's an easy step but often overlooked. Ensuring you save your chosen settings means that Copilot will consistently apply the tone you've selected in your communications without requiring you to adjust it every time. This little step automates your communication style across all your interactions, giving you one less thing to worry about. Once you've saved your settings, you can begin using Copilot with the tone that's tailor-suited to your audience. You should see a difference in the way Copilot constructs suggestions and communicates through prompts. This customization enhances not just your communication, but your productivity as well, making each interaction more efficient and aligned with your intended messaging style. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now mastered adjusting your Microsoft Apps Copilot settings to better suit your communication needs. Enjoy a more seamless interaction that reflects your unique style and better resonates with your intended audience.